so we're just going to crack on with it. We're going to practice some 1 foot balances. Sounds easy.
It is not.
So let's get going. So in our last video, we struggled with voices. So we had our music played in the background, but because of copyright, we couldn't have it playing, so we've had to put music over the top of the video, which then made it difficult for us to be heard. So we've got our headphones in with our music so we can dance along to our music. So hopefully you guys will be able to hear us better. Fingers crossed. So let's do these 1 foot balances. Not only is it hard to balance, it's hard to stay in a straight line as well.
Very.
Let's go down.
Some skaters look at like it's easy as pie, and it is a struggle when you're starting. Sometimes too much speed is not helpful.
Actually, he's wrong. Speed is your friend on roller skates, but that is scary, really scary.
When you're doing this.
In your head, you want to go slower because it feels safer, but when you're going quicker, everything's easier. It's just you've got to get your head
Around
to
it.
tell your feet and everything else around you that that's okay. Yeah, and don't do what I just did, which was bite your lip, because if you fall over, you can have a big hole in your lip. Right, so let's go back.
And you'll probably have to go into hospital.
I cannot go in a straight line. It's my naughty left leg again. It's back! The naughty left leg's back!
But for me, it's my naughty right leg! Naughty leg! Naughty right leg!
Told you! Naughty left leg does not go straight.
So maybe you can tell the left leg is probably my strongest leg, and my right leg is the good leg for lifting it up. Wow! Really sad emoji into the comments because this leg is really naughty. My right leg is.
So I think this is, although it seems so basic, it's one of the things that's probably hindering us in the rest of our skating. So the fact that when I'm on this 1 foot, it doesn't go straight, must mean when I'm skating, it's constantly pulling one way. So it's good practice for me to get the balance right, to get the balance in my skate right. So when I go on 1 foot, my left foot is tipping onto its inside edge, which is making me turn to the right. So I've got to practice getting that left foot to tip straight. It doesn't need to tip to the outside, but that's what I'm thinking in my head. Tip it more to the outside to straighten it up.
Maybe if you put an explosion emoji inside of the comments, that leg might work. Okay? So put it down in the comments, please. And it might work. I think that explosion emoji might have just barely worked. So spam explosion emojis in the comment. Please. It uses a lot of pressure in your foot to keep yourself straight. Please use pressure. Wow, the explosions have actually worked on my leg. Somehow. Sorry for my bad English.
So that's it for today's video. I've been Panda-mom-ium. He's been
the Yeti-Man